Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about what we learned in the first term social science lessons. In the first term, we learned four lessons. They are our earth, towards history, good citizen, the atmosphere. First lesson name is our earth. Millions of years ago, an explosion called the Big Bang occurred. Numerous stars and celestial bodies came into existence by that massive explosion. These celestial bodies together called the universe. Galaxy has a huge cluster of stars. Our galaxy Milky Way is one of the countless billions of galaxies in the universe. What is solar system? There are 8 planets in our solar system. The outer planets are gaseous planets. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The inner rocky planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are called terrestrial planets. The frozen planets are Uranus and Neptune. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest in the solar system. The Earth is rotating itself and at the same time revolving around the Sun. It has two movements. They are rotations and revolution. The Earth rotates on its own axis. It is called rotation of the Earth. It also revolves around the Sun. It is called revolution of the Earth. Day and night are caused due to the Earth's rotation. Seasons are caused by Earth's revolution. Where do we live on the earth? We live on the surface of the earth. It is made up of 7 continents and 5 oceans. 7 continents. What are they? They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. The Asian continent where we live is the biggest of all, and Australia is the smallest one. The Antarctica is the continent full of snow. What are the 5 oceans? They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Around 71% of our earth is covered by salt water, and that is called as ocean. Only 2.5% of water is fresh, and 1% of it is easily accessible. Second lesson name is Towards History. Early humans lived in jungles along with animals. They used the stone tools to protect themselves. The most important thing is that they ate everything raw, including flesh. They did not know the use of fire in the beginning. What is nomadic life? Early humans did not know to grow crops. They wandered in all the landscapes in search of food. They ate whatever they got and drank water from natural resources. This kind of life was called nomadic life. Stone Age. Stone tools and weapons were used by humans in the past. To start with, humans were not aware of any weapons or metals. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Stones were sharpened as tools by them. They made it with the help of other stones. These sharp tools help to hunt animals and tear the flesh of animals. Stone Age is divided into 3 types: Paleolithic Age, Old Stone Age; Mesolithic Age, Middle Stone Age; Neolithic Age, New Stone Age. Stone wheels were the first scientific invention. What was the first scientific invention? Yes, stone wheels. Pottery. Pottery was also one of the greatest inventions by humans. The backed pot was strong and looked beautiful. Stone Age people made all the household artifacts by themselves. Lesson 3: Good Citizen. Man is a social animal. Human beings are bestowed with senses. Human beings think and act using their senses. Good values. Good values are the qualities of a person that keep society running. These qualities can be developed by all. Good values are divided into five types. They are personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, and constitutional values. First one, personal values. Personal value is the basic value for every individual. We must bring out the hidden values of a person that they acquire from their experiences. This leads to their overall development. Next, cultural values. To become well mannered and cultured is an essence of the society. Irrespective of language and religion, people live together in harmony. This helps to maintain cultural values. We are all Tamil people and Indians too. We are all human. We must live together as brothers and sisters. Social values. How should we behave in public places? We can maintain good values in public places by following the points given below. Maintain good relation with people, respect elders, respect nature, be tolerant, maintain friendship. What are the disciplinary values? First one, punctuality, involvement, treating everyone as equal, doing work on time, holding your morals, doing duties without fail. Next, constitutional values. Safeguard the public properties. Maintain the unity and integrity of the nation. Develop scientific attitude. Protect the natural resources. Honor the national symbols. Preserve our culture and heritage. Next, what are the factors that encourages good values? First, literacy. Second, creating awareness and interest. Third one, try hard, still success. Fourth one, evaluate oneself. Fifth one, acceptance. Sixth one, self-confidence. One main feature of good value is to preserve hygiene. Each person should be taught to be hygienic and follow the routine given below. First one, wake up early in the morning. Brush your teeth. Have a bath. Wear clean clothes. Wear shoes and sandals. Trim hair and cut the nails. Wash hands before and after meals. The name of the fourth lesson is atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the envelope of air around the earth. What is biosphere? Biosphere is life on earth. Biosphere is the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Lithosphere means it's land on earth. Hydrosphere means it's water on earth. Atmosphere means it's the air on earth. Biosphere means it's a life on earth. What is weather? Weather is a day to day condition of atmosphere at any place with regard to temperature, pressure, wind, humidity, and rainfall. What are the elements of climates? They are temperature, pressure, wind, clouds, and rainfall. Next one is solar radiation. The earth receives heat energy from the sun in the form of radiation. It is called solar radiation. First one, temperature. Why does heat vary from morning to evening? It is because of the sun's rays. The land is divided into various heat zones according to the fall of sun rays on the surface of the earth. Next one is pressure. When the temperature increases, pressure decreases, and when the temperature decreases, pressure increases. Wind. The air which moves horizontally from high pressure area to low pressure area is called wind. The wind can be classified into following types. They are planetary wind, monsoon wind. In this monsoon wind again divided into two types: northeast monsoon wind, southwest monsoon wind. Sea breeze, land breeze, local wind, jet streams and cyclone. Next one is clouds. What is clouds? Clouds are large collection of very tiny droplets of water. The clouds is divided into four types. They are cirrus clouds, stratus clouds, cumulus clouds, and nimbus clouds. The last one is rainfall. Condensation of the wind causes rainfall. Rainwater must be saved and not be wasted. In this, rainwater is divided into three types. They are convectional rainfall, orographic rainfall, and cyclonic rainfall. Rainwater harvesting is a technique of collection and storage of rainwater. Rainwater must be saved and not be wasted. Okay, children, today we revised four lessons. First lesson, our earth. Second lesson, towards history. Third lesson, good citizen. Fourth lesson, atmosphere. Okay, my dear children, I hope you have understood these lessons. Thank you, children.